elementary profile of the gravity dam. It is when it is subjected to external water pressure on upstream side. It will be the right angle triangle. It is similar to right angle triangle, which is having zero width at the water level. Water level pressure का है 0 है, and its apex starting from this water level. It is similar to this pressure distribution diagram. This pressure distribution diagram, the pressure at the water level at top surface it is 0, and at the base it is maximum, having pressure is equal to gamma W into H. Resultant pressure will act at H by 3 from base. P is the resultant pressure, and sulfate of the dam will act at B by 3 from this vertical face. And this is uplift pressure diagram having U, which is equal to C into gamma W into H. C is constant. This is B by 3, the resultant pressure. So this is the uplift pressure acting at the base of the dam. So from this you can understand the profile of the dam is similar to the shape of the hydrostatic pressure diagram, hydrostatic pressure distribution diagram. So both are similar, both are right angle triangle. दोन्ही कसे आहेत? Right angle triangles आहेत. This gravity dam and this pressure distribution diagram. Both are similar. This is the elementary profile of the gravity dam. समजलं profile? Profile कैसा है? Right angle triangle. It is having right angle triangle. 30 degree at the top, 60 degree at the toe side, and at the heel it is having 90 degree right angle triangle. This face is perpendicular to this base. It makes 90 degree. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle. It is having a profile of right angle triangle. So this is the case when there is a water pressure is acting horizontally on upstream side. When the reservoir is full, then water level is at the top of the dam. Water level top level पर्यंत असेल, highest flood level, highest water level. In that case, this will be the pressure distribution diagram. And when the reservoir is empty, when there is no water on upstream side, in that case only single force is acting, that is sulfate W of the dam, and it acts at a distance B by 3 from the hill. ज्यावेळेस hydrostatic pressure नसेल त्यावेळेस फक्त काय असेल तिथे only sulfate of the dam, फक्त dam structure असेल, there is no hydrostatic pressure. Only sulfate of the dam will act downward. Water pressure act towards rightward. Sulfate will act towards downward. Only sulfate will be there when the reservoir is empty and there is no water on upstream side. This is the maximum possible innermost position of the resultant for no tension to develop. So in this case, there is no tension will be developed. In this case, when the reservoir is empty, is the maximum possible innermost position of the resultant. Resultant ची position आपण पाहिले when the reservoir is empty and when reservoir is full. In this diagram, in last lecture we have seen. See this diagram. The resultant कैसा है? In between these two, B by 2. Our resultant इथे. Resultant is nearer to the toe. So another case, in this case, when the reservoir is empty, this is a case when reservoir is full. In this case, resultant is nearer to toe, and when the reservoir is empty, then this resultant will be nearer to the hill. हिलच्या जवळ असेल, आणि रिझर्व्हर ज्यावेळेस फुल असेल त्यावेळेस तो टोच्या जवळ असेल, आणि ज्यावेळेस एम्प्टी असेल त्यावेळेस तो हिलच्या जवळ असेल इथे, towards left. And in case of when the reservoir is full, the resultant will be towards right, near to the toe. Hence, such line of action of W is the most ideal, as it gives maximum possible stabilizing moment about the toe without causing tension at the toe side when the reservoir is empty. So in this case, there will be no tension will be developed when the reservoir is empty. If the resultant passes outside the toe, then there will be the overturning of the dam, or there may be tensile failure, tension failure. So P max or P minimum, which is calculated by this formula, summation of V by B into bracket 1 plus or minus 6E by B. Here summation of V is equal to W, summation of vertical forces when the reservoir is empty, only the weight of the dam acting downwards. So eccentricity कितनी है? B by 6, width by 6, P max or P minimum. I put this value, summation of is equal to W by B into bracket 1 plus or minus 6 into B by B into 6. We have put this value of E. Each value that है B by 6. And the P max कितना है? 2W by B. Equation solve केला है. P max का है W by B into 1 is B cancel, 6 cancel. रहते क्या? 1 plus 1 remains 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 into W by B. So minus असेल तर ते minimum काय येणार आहे? 0. 1 minus 1 0. Therefore P minimum will be 0 and P max will be 2W by B. समझला? Any doubt? We are finding the maximum stress and minimum stress. P max will be equal to 2W by B and P minimum will be equal to 0. Hence the maximum vertical stress will be equal to 2W by B will act at the heel. The resultant is near to the heel. And vertical stress at the toe will be 0. The maximum stress किती असणार आहे? 2W by B. When the reservoir is empty, in that case, the vertical stress will be 2W by B. And when the reservoir is full, the base width is gone by. How to find the stress? The resultant of all the forces, which is given by P, W and U. P is the water pressure, hydrostatic pressure, weight, self weight of the dam. U is the uplift pressure, passes through the outermost middle third point, or that is lower middle third. The resultant of all these forces, it will pass through the outermost middle third point, nearer to the toe. The dam is safe in sliding. तर बेस विड्थ काढायचं आहे when the reservoir is full. The first condition काय आहे? The resultant of all the forces P, W and U which passes through the outermost middle third point, lower middle third point, through which the resultant of all these forces will pass. By considering this first condition, for the first condition to be satisfied, taking moments of all these forces about the lower middle third point, the point through which the resultant is passing. The moment gets a resultant of all these forces W, U and P. The moment gets a, see the diagram. B by 3. The moment will be W into B by 3. Lower middle third point. About this lower middle third point, we have to take the moment. W into B by 3. Put a, see this, W into B by 3. Acting clockwise. Therefore, it is taken as positive. U minus U into B by 3. U into B by 3. See this? U acting, uplift pressure is acting here, B by 3. Acting anti-clockwise, negative. Then P into H by 3 minus P into H by 3. Put a here. P into, this is P. P is the distance from the base, it is H by 3. P into H by 3. Okay? Which is equal to R into 0. R into 0. जिथं resultant pass होते तिथं movement घ्यायचं आहे. R into resultant त्याच point मध्ये pass होते. Therefore it is distance is 0. Therefore R into 0. या diagram मध्ये पाहिल्यानंतर कळेल. बघा. See this resultant. मग इकडे horizontal pressure आहे P, weight acting downward. Then uplift pressure upward. बरोबर आहे? So in this case, you have to take the moment about this point where resultant passes. At this point, this is the case when reservoir is full. Okay. Resultant जिथं कट झालाय या पॉइंटला, कुठे कट झालाय? ऍट दिस बेस, एरोच्या वर इथे बेस कुठे आहे? हा जो बेस आहे, रिझल्टंटची जी लाईन आहे कुठे कट झालाय? या पॉइंटला. सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज कन्सिडर दिस ॲज अ ओ पॉइंट. तर या पॉइंटला मोमेंट घ्यायचा आहे. तर इकडून वेन रिझर्वायर इज फुल, त्यामुळे किती फोर्सेस कन्सिडर करायचे? वेट ऑफ द डॅम W डाउनवर्ड, पर अपलिफ्ट प्रेशर सुद्धा आहे अपवर्ड, आणि टुवर्ड्स राईट देर इज अ हॉरिझॉन्टल वॉटर प्रेशर. हे 3 फोर्सेस या पॉइंट वरती मोमेंट घ्यायचं आहे अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. So that is shown in this equation. W into B by 3 minus U into B by 3 minus P into H by 3 is equal to R into 0. So by solving this, we get W minus U into B by 3 minus P into H by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, W is equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2 B, 1 by 2 into B into H into 1 into SC into gamma W. W ची value ही है. SC is the specific gravity of the concrete. Gamma W is the unit weight of water that is taken at 9.81 kiloton per meter cube. This is the value of W. Then value of U is calculated by this equation. U is equal to 1 by 2 into C into gamma W into H into B. The uplift at the hill will be C into gamma W into H, where C is a constant. According to USBR recommendation, it is taken is equal to 1. And will be equal to 0 when no uplift is considered. And value of P is equal to 1 by 2 gamma W into H square. Gamma W H square by 2. Formula आपण already काढलेला आहे इथे. In the water pressure, P ची value इथे काढलेली आहे. तर पहिल्यांदा वॉटर प्रेशर आपण इथे काढलंय 1 by 2 pH is equal to 1 by 2 gamma W into H square. त्यानंतर अपलिफ्ट प्रेशर पाहिलं होतं आपण. अपलिफ्ट प्रेशर किती आले? Uplift pressure that is showing this image. The uplift pressure. The weight of the dam. So P is equal to 1 gamma W into H square by 2. These are the three values of P, U and W. W is calculated by कैसे करायचं W? Weight of the dam 1 by 2 base into height into 1 for 1 meter length of the dam. Specific gravity SC. Specific gravity of the concrete SC. Specific gravity of the concrete which is taken into gamma W unit weight of water. You know the formula of weight of the dam. How to calculate? So by putting this W minus U into B by 3 minus P into H by 3 is equal to 0. This becomes, by putting this all these equations in this equation, we get, by solving this we get, पहिल्यांदा काय ठेवलंय? W ची व्हॅल्यू इथे ठेवलंय 1 by 2 base into height SC into gamma W minus U ची व्हॅल्यू ठेवलंय 1 by 2 C into gamma W into H into B into B by 3 minus gamma W into H square by 2 into H by 3 is equal to 0. या इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवलंय. त्यानंतर B ची व्हॅल्यू किती आले? B is equal to H by root of SC minus C. This is the base width. By solving this equation, we get this value of B. That is equal to H by root of SC minus C. If B is taken equal to or greater than this value, no tension will be developed at the hill with full reservoir. When the reservoir is full, ही value base width जर आपण ही घेतली, B is equal to H by root of SC minus C, then there will be no tension will be developed. when the b is equal to or greater than this value, जी काय व्हॅल्यू सॉल्व करून h ची व्हॅल्यू जी काय तुम्ही ठेवले, सपोज हाईट ऑफ द डॅम इज 100 मीटर, एस ची व्हॅल्यू ठेवायचं, सी ची व्हॅल्यू ठेवायचं कॉन्स्टंट, स्पेसिफिक ग्रॅव्हिटी ऑफ द concrete. By putting this, the value of b is obtained. That value should be taken which is equal to or it may be greater than this value. In that case, there will be no tension will be developed at the hill. When c is equal to 1, if you taken c is equal to 1, b is equal to h by root of sc minus 1. c ची व्हॅल्यू 1 ठेवलेली आहे. आणि ज्यावेळेस if uplift pressure नसेल, if uplift is not considered, in that case c is 0. Therefore, the formula is b is equal to h by root of sc. In second condition, for the second condition, the dam is safe in sliding to be satisfied. The frictional resistance mu into summation of v the second condition satisfy करायचं. Dam is safe in sliding. So in that case, frictional resistance mu into summation of v or mu into w minus u should be equal to or more than horizontal forces. आपण sliding failure मध्ये पाहिलं. So avoid failure, sliding failure, this frictional resistance should be equal to or more than horizontal forces. म्हणजे काय, mu into bracket w minus u should be greater than or equal to value of p. p पेक्षा हे जी व्हॅल्यू फ्रिक्शनल रेजिस्टन्स कशी पाहिजे, जास्त पाहिजे. Then only it is said to be dam is safe in sliding. Okay, समजला how to calculate this b. त्यानंतर आपण by considering this second condition, by solving this equation, by putting this value of w and u in this equation, w and u ची व्हॅल्यू ठेवलेली आहे. w ची व्हॅल्यू 1/2 into h sc into gamma w minus u ची व्हॅल्यू 1/2 c into gamma w into h into b. आणि p ची व्हॅल्यू काय, gamma w into s square by 2. Okay, by solving this you get b. b ची व्हॅल्यू परत काढायचं आहे, जसं आपण आधी काढलं इथे b ची व्हॅल्यू काढले. परत हा इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचा आहे. तर b ची व्हॅल्यू काय, ग्रेटर दॅन इक्वल टू h बाय म्यू इंटू sc मायनस c. इन दॅट केस b ची व्हॅल्यू कशी घ्यायची, टू अवॉइड द स्लाइडिंग फेल्युअर b शुड बी ग्रेटर दॅन h बाय म्यू इंटू sc मायनस c. आधी किती होतं, to avoid tension failure b should be equal to h by root of sc minus c इथे दिलेलं आहे. Okay, in second condition the b value of b will be greater than or equal to h by mu into sc minus c. समझला. Under limiting condition b is equal to h by mu into sc minus c. This is for limiting condition. If c is taken as 1, c is equal to 1, 1 ची c ची व्हॅल्यू इथे ठेवायची आहे इक्वेशन मध्ये, तर काय येईल, h by mu into sc minus 1. and when no uplift is considered, c is equal to 0 घेतलं तर b ची व्हॅल्यू किती येणार आहे, b is equal to greater than equal to h by mu into sc. c ची व्हॅल्यू 0 ठेवायचं म्हणजे इथे 1 येणार नाही, फक्त mu into sc येणार आहे. when there is no uplift pressure is considered, c ची व्हॅल्यू 0 घेतली तर इक्वेशन आहे, c ची व्हॅल्यू 1 घेतली तर इक्वेशन ऑफ b will be this h by mu into sc minus 1. समजला. Any difficulty in this? Please ask. समजलं का इथपर्यंत? For all practical purposes, the base width may be taken as h by root of SC. Base width किती घेतली जाते? h by root of SC. For all practical purposes, the base width taken as B is equal to h by root of SC. The vertical stress distribution when reservoir is full. ज्यावेळेस रिझर्वायर फुल असेल तर वर्टिकल स्ट्रेस डिस्ट्रीब्युशन डायग्राम कसं असेल? दिस ट्रायंगुलर. तर व्हॅल्यू कशी काढायचं आहे? वर्टिकल स्ट्रेस P max or P minimum will be equal to summation of V by B into bracket 1 plus or minus 6E by B, where summation of V is taken as W minus U. These are two vertical forces. W is acting downward, U is acting upward, म्हणून तो निगेटिव्ह आहे. W पॉझिटिव्ह प्लस W मायनस U uplift pressure, uplift force. Weight is acting downward, uplift force will be acting upward. तर दोन्हीची व्हॅल्यू आम्हाला ठेवायचं आहे. W ची व्हॅल्यू आणि U ची व्हॅल्यू. Then you get the, after solving this, you get the summation of V will be equal to 1 by 2 B into gamma W into H into bracket SC minus C. By solving this, by taking 1 by 2 B into gamma W into H common, there remains SC minus C in the bracket. By putting this value, E is equal to B by 6. Then the equation will be 1 by 2 B into gamma W H into SC minus C by B. Then you get this equation into bracket 1 plus or minus 6B by 6B. या इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवायचं आहे. समेशन ऑफ बी ची व्हॅल्यू इथे ठेवली आपण. समेशन ऑफ बी च्या जागी तर ई च्या जागी काय ठेवायचं? बी बाय 6. समेशन ऑफ बी इज दिस and E is B by 6. ही व्हॅल्यू इथे ठेवायचं आहे आणि या इक्वेशन मध्ये मॅक्सिमम स्ट्रेस विल ऑकर at toe because the resultant is nearer to the toe. Maximum stress कुठे ऍक्ट होणार आहे? Nearer to the toe. When the reservoir is full, the resultant will be nearer to toe. Therefore, P